Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Go on Guitar. It's time to bounce here with Oliver Tree. So this funky dude made it again. Bounce, nice, cool song, and a little bit different. We'll cover this on guitar. 4 chords that goes around and around in the same order through the entire song. We'll love that. So let's start right away. We will work with bar chords here only. So no need for any capo here. We'll start with the G sharp. Okay, so we start here at the 4th fret here with the bar. You bar all the strings there, and then the rest will be 6 at A string, 6 on the D string, and 5th on G. That's the G sharp. Next chord is the G. You know what? You just take the same grip and move it 1 fret away from you. You land now with the bar on the 3rd fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 5th on A, 5th on D, and 4th on G. Alright, then we have the C minor. So you stay with the bar on the 3rd fret. If you want, you can bar all strings. You just have to bar 5 strings there. So all strings except from the last T here in the bass, that's what you're gonna bar at the 3rd position. And then the rest will be 5th at D string, 5th on the G string, and 4th on B. There you have the C minor. And then the final chord is the A sharp. You go up here to the 6th fret with the bar finger, and the chord looks exactly the same as the G sharp and G. So that gives us bar on the 6th fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 8 on A string, 8 on D, and 7th on G. And there you have the 4 chords in that order we just went through the chords. So G sharp to G to C minor to A sharp, like this. Okay, great little circle of chords. So now we have 2 different ways of handling the chords when it comes to the strumming. One way is 2 downs per chord, like this. Alright. And the second way is to continue these 2 downs. So one strumming around will be now down, down, clap, down. So you fill out the gap there, no pause there after 2 downs, so you fill out it. So that will be down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. Alright guys, so that pretty much covers Oliver Tree's bounce. Give it a try, and till next time, play tuned.